Shape Valley is amazing! Haha, everything is made of shapes! Yay! Wow! Gabi, look! The shapes are gone! Oh no, Shape Valley is gone. What can we do? Let's rebuild Shape Valley! But how? Ooh! Wow! It's a magic map! It's empty? Is it broken? The map has a mission! We need the golden circle crystal. Yay! Let's find it! Follow the beam! There are so many circles. Which one is the golden circle crystal? Did you see that? Follow the sparkle! It moved again! It moved again! Follow the sparkle! Woo! We found it! The golden circle crystal! Yay! We did it! Let's take it home! Yay! Does it belong there? I hope this works. Go, golden circle crystal! We did it! The fountain is back! Hooray! My pocket is glowing. We finished our first mission! A new mission! Yeah! Let's go! The bridge is broken! How can we cross? The bridge is fixed! We did it together! Oh, look! Ooh! This place is amazing! Everything is square! Something is missing. Where fits there? The ruby square crystal! Yay! We're going home! The shape tree is waiting. Yay! Here you go! It's working! Yay! Library is back! We rebuilt it together! My map is glowing! It's shining again. Ooh! A new mission! The triangle is calling us! Let's go! Three paths! Which one leads to the emerald triangle crystal? The green path is shining! Let's go! Up we go! We're getting closer! I saw the green light! Look! Triangle steps! They're helping us! They're helping us! Let's cross! The emerald triangle crystal! We found it! Hooray! Let's take it home! Shape Valley is waiting! We're almost there! Look! It's glowing! The shape tree is ready! The crystal belongs here! It's working! The triangle tower is back! The map is glowing again! A new mission! What's our next mission? Let's see. A rectangle mission! Let's find the sapphire rectangle crystal. New adventure! Woohoo! The map found our next mission. Where is it taking us? Let's find out! The blue light brought us here. What is this place? A hidden blue river. How do we get across? Look, a safe way across. Let's go together. A magical maze. What could be inside? Let's discover it. Look, 4 different shapes. Which one is our mission? The rectangle is glowing. The door is locked. It needs a special key. Let's find it. The beam is leading us somewhere. Maybe the key is nearby. Look over there. We found the rectangle key. Let's hurry. We're back. Let's open the rectangle door. The key fits. The door is opening. Look, the sapphire rectangle crystal. We found it. We did it! We did it! Hooray! Shape Valley is up ahead. We're almost home. Let's finish our mission. The sapphire rectangle crystal is home. Great job, Gabi! It's working! Look! A rectangle train station. The train is awake! It's wonderful!
You have rebuilt Shape Valley with courage and teamwork. But one final mission remains. The heart crystal cannot be found. It must be awakened.
But how do we awaken it? What should we do?
The heart crystal awakens when hearts are kind.
Then let's spread kindness. Our final adventure begins. Did you hear that? A little bird needs help. Let's help together. Let's take you home. Your family is waiting. The tree is glowing brighter. Kindness is helping. Let's keep going. Oh no, my ball. Let's help. We can do it. Thank you. You're welcome. Look, it's waking up. The heart crystal. Almost there.
Kind hearts have awakened the heart crystal.
We did it! Shape Valley is complete! Hooray! We did it! Shape Valley is saved! See you on our next adventure! Follow and subscribe to DGStarKids so you don't miss our next adventure. Bye!